What's up, y'all? Welcome to Dee LaVigne. Excuse if you hear obnoxious chewing in the background. That is my dog chomping on dog food right now. Eat it up, the Bonge. Eat it up. I am so excited. My husband actually surprised me recently. We were in Chicago and he surprised me with this bag. I am blown away. I love this brand so much. So let's get started and unbox. I felt like it deserved its very own video because I don't know what it is about this brand, but I really connect it to my husband because the first time, or actually my first bag ever, because this is actually only my second bag from Goyard in my collection. I only have one in my collection right now, and that was also a surprise from my husband. And that was when we were in Miami and we were in the Bal Harbour area, and he set up a whole surprise appointment for me and picked out my very first Goyard bag. It was so special. Oh, memories. So anyways, here's another one. I don't know what it is. He likes surprising me with this brand, but hey, I'm not complaining because I love, love, love Goyard. It's one of my top favorite brands for sure. One of my favorite luxury brands at least. Love the packaging too. Y'all know it's my favorite color, green. Y'all take a look at this box too. I love their packaging, and the experience is also always really nice. This was in, like I said, when we were in Chicago recently. Y'all see the color? Y'all see the color? I don't have anything like this, so I'm so excited. Okay. Any guesses? Y'all see the wood? I think y'all probably know what it is by now. Unboxing the beautiful, I believe this color is called Sky Blue, I think. I will link the exact name. This is the mini Saigon bag. I will link, I could find options down below for you guys if you guys are interested in shopping this one. But oh my gosh, you guys, look at how beautiful she is. I always get, that's how you know I love something, when my voice gets super high pitched and I just turn into a little girl or something. I don't know, like, it's so cute. This color makes me so happy. I've been eyeing this bag actually, y'all, for a while, and I don't know what it is about. Well, first off, I feel like I would have more Goyard pieces if I was in a location that had Goyard stores. So typically whenever I do visit Goyard, it's always when I'm on vacation or traveling somewhere, which probably is another reason why I love the brand so much. It's always attached to like really fun, great experiences and memories. But also, every single time I go in, they're just very welcoming and the experience is superb all the time. I never have any issues. So anyways, oh my goodness, let me look this over. So I don't know what it is about this bag, but I love it. It makes me smile, and I just feel like you can wear this bag dressed up, dressed down. I'm totally taking this with me to Miami when we go. I feel like it just gives me Miami vibes because of like maybe the color and like the wood. I don't know, like beachy. Oh, what's in here? Oh, so this was, I guess, the bag for the strap, which is detachable. So this strap is detachable and it's also adjustable. If you could see like the loops right here, you can make it one or two sizes. It's not like super adjustable, but I like it on this length. I actually had the guy put it on for me in the store when Jerry and I went in for the surprise. But yeah, when you open it up, I love that it has a different color lining, leather lining, and it says Goyard Paris, made in France right at the top. It's just a big open pocket, and then it has one little pocket right here towards the back of the bag, and that's it. It's very simple. You close it like, oh, okay, so it's like this, and then you put that through like that, right? Yeah, there you go. And yeah, it's a cute bag. I love it. There were different colors, but Jerry really loved the blue on me. And he also said that he realized I didn't have any blue in my collection. So that's another reason why. And you know what? I think this is the perfect blue that could go with everything. Like, I feel like this is a really good neutral blue. So I'm super excited to have this bag, and I'm gonna be wearing the heck out of her this spring, this summer. You will see this baby out and about. What do y'all think about Goyard bags? Like, comment down below. Do you guys like them? Are y'all into them? I just love them because I feel like Goyard is still a brand that you don't see like very often. And I also like their quality too. Like I haven't really had bad experiences with the quality of any of their products, not just their handbags. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of the mini Saigon, and if you want any like reviews or in-depth review after I get to wearing it on the wear and tear. I have been like, I was a little like concerned. I'm like, okay, how is this wood gonna hold up? Like, is it gonna scratch and dink? But I mean, bags are meant to be worn, so I'm really not planning to baby this bag at all. In fact, there might be like a little thing on it right now. What is that? Oh no. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. I love it. Ah! Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.